What is up everybody? This is not my usual style of videos. I upload gaming clips, but here we are. This is my first ever computer build and I was excited to show it to you guys, and this is the computer that I'm using to stream or record gameplays and clip them together that you're watching in my channel. So for the motherboard, we're going with a B450 Pro M2 Max. And this one supports 3200 megahertz of RAM and has just 2 slots of memory which can fit 32 gigs at max. For the processor, we're going with Ryzen 5 3500, which is exclusively available only in few countries, so you might want to go for something like Ryzen 5 say 3600 maybe, or Ryzen 7 basic model. But anyways, this is a straightaway competitor for i5 9400F by Intel, so it's still better on the Ryzen side because the multitasking is slightly on the better side. So why I decided to go for the budget build is because, you know, there's a fact that we can actually upgrade the parts and there's no hurry, and I don't want to get anything on the overkill side because I don't want to waste my money. I mean, come on. So once the installation of the CPU is done, we are going to remove all the standoffs and fit in the stock cooler that we get within the processor's own box. Now there are two types of Ryzen coolers. One is the Stealth and the other one is the Wraith. The only difference between both of these are that the silver fins are slightly bigger or the fan is slightly bigger. But either ways, it's pretty much the same. Also keep in mind that thermal paste comes pre-applied to these stock coolers. For the RAM, we are going with Gskill Tridentz Z RGB RAM, and we have 2 sticks, 8 GB each. That counts up to 16 GB, and both of these are 3200 MHz. Now the color and the RGB effect of these sticks can be controlled by Dragon Center, which is given by MSI, and that's controlled directly by the motherboard itself, or you can go for the Gskill's own software to control the animation and the lighting effects within the memory sticks. So once all the required parts are assembled inside the motherboard, it's finally time that we move it into the cabinet itself. Now the cabinet was one big process because we had a non-modular power supply, so there's a lot of cable management problems that we had, hence we had to skip it and come to this part. So keep in mind that this video is not really a complete tutorial of how to fix and what to fix where, but this is in fact just a budget build PC quick video to show you all the parts that I used to build my PC. So for the graphic card, I used a Galix 1660 Super. So once all the parts have been fit in place, it's finally time for the final output. Let's check it out.